as Nitin said, I work for the Just Regional Sports Centre. There's not much time, so I'm just going to crack on. To reduce the cognitive load, I'm going to do some URL shortening. So I'm using a shortening service called splashurl.net. And you'll see within the slide I've just got the end code, which relates to my this is where I blog stuff. So, and you'll see that code appearing on other slides, so there's a lot of information potentially here. So there's lots of links to other information for you to look at. Quick overview, I just want to show you how you can use Twitter for voting. There is actually a bigger picture I think you should be aware of, and I know this interest group is interested in class interaction, but in class usually equates for perhaps 10% of the student time when you start looking at notional hours for credits. So I think there's a bigger picture to look at in some ways. Obviously, this whole thing is based on knowing a bit about Twitter, which I imagine most of you have heard about by now, as all the news broadcasters and various other peoples and politicians start becoming obsessed with Twitter. That's a very simple description taken from Wikipedia. So just as a quick reminder, you see that that's the link there, so splashurl.net BD8. With Twitter, there's a number of ways that users can update their status. They can do it through a website. They can do it through dedicated applications on your desktop. You can do it through mobile phones, through applications on the mobile phone. But the one which I think makes this idea work is the fact that you can do updates via SMS. So even if you've got the most basic phone, you can actually start making updates. And there is obviously a cost associated with sending a text message, but Carol's going to go into Poll Everywhere and she'll reassure you that's not a problem, it's fine. The other thing to remember, something that's born out of Twitter is this whole idea of using a hashtag, and Keith pointed out the hashtag for today's event. Hashtags just allow you essentially to start collating lots of different spurious pieces of information onto one page. So the big idea, it wasn't actually mine, it was a chap called David Muir, again at the University of Strathclyde. Many good things come from the University of Strathclyde. And he's a lecturer there within the Faculty of Education, and he's very proactive in looking at how you can use technology to enhance teaching and learning. And he's already had a Twitter back channel going on within his classes, and he was looking for a way, could I use this back channel in a different way? Could I start using it to collect votes? And his idea was just to use a unique hashtag for each question, and then students could respond that way, which is very easy to do. The Twitter search allows you, using the hashtag, to collate. My suggestion to him was to actually have a unique hashtag for each question you're asking with the options, and so that you see that the different options have come in. And that's how you do voting via Twitter. Oh no, right. That obviously is probably the equivalent of a show of hands. It's very hard to interpret. Fortunately, there's a guy from Open University called Tony Hurst who does some very wonderful things with data and mashups. And one of the things he developed was a way of just identifying who was tweeting your hashtag at your events. So the thing to note with this page, which is straight from Twitter, is that all these results can be pulled in RSS. Essentially, RSS is this page, but all the formatting and niceties removed. It's just the pure data. Tony's solution was to use something called Yahoo Pipes, which is a great service if you want to rapidly prototype anything. It's basically drag and drop programming. So you can't really see what's going on here. But all you're doing is you're pulling in that RSS feed from the Twitter search page, and you're doing various functions on it. So this box here is actually stripping out everything prior to the hashtag, including the hashtag. So we're now getting it down to just A, B, C's and D's and so on. Then there's a nice little block just to pull out the unique stuff. So that's just going to start counting how many A's, how many B's, how many C's are going on. And then there's kind of a grey kind of web servicey thing which I developed. And all it's doing is it's sending that information out into, there's a Google chart service. All you do is provide a URL with which has the data encoded in it, and you get a nice graph. So we're getting back to what you'd recognise within your peer instruction systems. All that could actually be condensed down into 30 lines of code that anyone could use. So it's a very simple concept, and you can see here I'm using I think it's the Live Web plugin. So this is just pulling in a live website, so I can just type in a query, and fingers crossed, it's broken. That's because it's got no results. But trust me, it does work. This all happened around November last year, and then about 2 weeks after that, a guy called Tim Elliott, who works for SAP, came up with a very nice solution that just embeds straight into PowerPoint slides. Damn you, Timo! But this shows you that more than one of us is having this idea, and there's some tools that you can, you've got a choice over the tools that you want to do this with. So, benefits of using Twitter as a voting system. As I mentioned, even the most basic phones can, the user can respond via SMS, so you don't need a shiny phone. As a slight aside, the University of Edinburgh did a survey of students here very recently, and half of the students have smartphones, so don't think that they don't have some decent kit in their pocket. They do. Very low cost. You've heard the issue of paying for handsets, replacing batteries, and having the license for the software. Using Twitter, you're relying on the devices that they already carry with them in their pockets, or could be a netbook, a laptop, so many other different devices. Even my TV can pull in a Twitter feed, but I won't be carrying that into lectures. The quite interesting is there's an opportunity here to start extending the pedagogy as well, because you're not relying on collecting results via a receiver. You can start posing questions pre-class, post-class. You could, because you're asking students, all you're doing for the voting element of it is taking the last character for voting. You still have 120 odd characters prior to that where you can actually ask students to say why they think it's A, B, or C, or D, or whatever you want to choose. It could be T or F, yes or no. It gives you a lot of freedom in that respect. I mentioned earlier that there's, I think if you were just to present Twitter voting as a single solution, I think that would be a mistake. There's a wider picture to perhaps consider. And over the last couple of years, I've been looking at how Twitter can be used in different ways to support education. Do any of you use SMS broadcasting to your students? It costs about 4p a text message to do it. Do you know you could do it free through Twitter? Initially when Twitter started, you could receive updates from selected feeds for free, and then the operators said, no, we're charging you money for this. And gradually various operators have come back on board. So now the user can receive free updates from a feed via SMS. So as well as the whole kind of doing your SMS administration, you could be doing, texting students to say, can you respond to this question prior to this class? So there's potentially a whole administration of questions as well going on. And most recently, I've been looking at lecture capture enhancement. Within the GIST, we've seen a big rise in the number of institutions that are using lecture capture solutions. And if you've got this back channel communication going on, and there's quite a rich one going on today, why not actually use that?
Former Vice Chancellor, okay? So born in Australia,
to
last
augment
15 years in the United
resources
States,
you have.
American daughters.
So this is Martin Bean at the OU. And all we've done here is just pull in the Twitter feed and use it as the subtitle for the video. And I can search.
Open up your minds a little
If I
bit,
can
get
type.
you to think about what higher education.
I can search and jump to different parts. So you've got this very rich resource that can potentially assist vicarious learning and various other pedagogies.
Yeah,
I didn't actually mute the sound there. It was because the mic hadn't got to the person, but actually someone tweeted the question. So there's also lost information being captured here and remarried up.
Yeah, I won't speak specifically to the bill. I've got a head of law that will be.
I think that's enough of him. So you probably think I see life through a Twitter lens, and I do right now. There are lots of reasons why not to do this, and I'll let you decide those, but I think there are enough reasons potentially to start looking at why we should be doing this. And just to remind you that JISC do fund areas of research like this, and there's a current call for projects out right now, so you're free to take any of the ideas you've seen and write up your bid and start developing a system for the whole of the UK.